Hey, what's up everyone? It's Newman here and you're welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to withdraw money from your Exness account. Okay, so maybe you have some amount or you made some profits. This is a simple way to withdraw. You just click on this withdraw tab right here in your Exness app, and then you enter the amount here. So here you see a range of how much you can withdraw. I'm going to withdraw everything. Okay, click on done, and then this is the amount that I'll be receiving. Just click on continue and then confirm. So Exness has just sent me a verification code. I'll quickly check that. Okay, once again click on the confirm. So your request is in process, so I'm just going to wait till I receive the alert right now. So after waiting for a while, about 5 minutes, you can see the balance here is now 0. Exness allows you to withdraw everything. Okay, so I've just withdrawn everything, and then I'll verify from my Momo app. Yeah, so as you can see guys, the balance has just reflected here in my Momo app. That's the simple way of withdrawing from your Exness account. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and also subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.